So al-habwa, which is called habwa, like our brother Tariq is doing, this habwa is only disliked during the Jumu'ah, when the khatib is delivering his khutbah. So before the khutbah, after the khutbah, on the day of Jumu'ah, no problem. It's just when the khatib is delivering his khutbah. Not to do the following, which is to pull the two legs or one knee towards your chest. Okay? Scholars, they said number of reasons for it, but we follow it. Some of them they said nahi, karahat tahreem, some of them karahat tanzi, disliked, but it's not to the extent of haram. Some of the it is makruh, disliked, but it's actually close to the haram. But that is number of reasons. They said, for example, maybe his awrah is going to show. Well, his awrah is not going to show because maybe he's got sarwal. Maybe they said because it's a way that you're going to sleep after you do like this. Sometimes you relax, you want to sleep. We will follow the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He said this, we'll do it. نهى رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم عن الحبوة يوم الجمعة والإمام يخطب. That's it, يوم الجمعة. That's it, that's a hadith. Forbidden. You're not allowed to say anything in the khutbah, even if you are from the admin. You are allowed to give gestures. So to tell them, like this, no problem. Quiet, go up, get up, go there. This. But let's say the admin is going to say, brother, to the front row. And the khatib is delivering, it becomes a market. It's a market. The khutbah has to be properly respected. No talk. Somebody's making nuisance next to you, you can't say to him quiet. That's enjoining good and forbidding evil. You can't. Be quiet. Sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Say sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. You can't say that in the Jumu'ah. Well, the khatib is doing this khutbah. You can't. So imagine every time the khatib says sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. That's not a khutbah. Some scholars even, like our Sheikh Al-Albani said, don't say it in your heart. Nothing. Because you are going to be listening. Some scholars, you say it in your heart, like Ibn al-Qayyim rahimahullah. But I'm just saying, not moving it, nothing, because you are listening to the khatib. That's what you came for. طيب. جزاك الله خير.